Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can log someone off on your Netflix account. So, I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. And if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away and just follow me guys. So, now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Netflix app or Netflix website and then log in with your accounts and then choose the profile that you use to watch Netflix. And then you'll be over here like this. From here, what you need to do is on the top right corner, you'll be having your profile option. Just go over here and just go to account. And then once you are over here, what you need to do is you need to go to devices on your left hand side and then go to access and devices. Now you will be having options where your account is, let's say, logged in. Now, so let's say I want to log off this one, log someone off, like log this user. So I just press on sign out and then that person will be logged off. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.